Hey, hi everyone. I'm Ronak Doshi, and I have two of my rockstar colleagues with me, Suman, an ex-CIO and now a leader of our banking and capital markets team, Dheeraj, the creator of our financial crime and compliance coverage and our banking and financial services BPS leader. So I'm so excited to talk with both of you in terms of what are you seeing in the market and what are the trends out there. So Suman, I'm going to go straight first to you. What are you seeing in the banking and capital market space right now?
There is a lot of optimism, Ronak, this year. We are seeing an uptick in the outsourcing space and enterprises gearing towards a very positive 2025, especially in terms of rise in volumes of transactions and the interest rates bouncing back. Also, the geopolitical tensions, which possibly reducing. There's an optimism around there. And then there is this technology infusion, especially brought in by AI, which is bringing about that innovation and disruption thinking, right? So we are seeing a lot of enterprises uh, looking for partners to help them in this journey. Okay,
Yeah, no,
very
that's
interesting
great.
space.
Yeah, well, that's great, right? So again, more optimism, technology infusion, AI is kind of driving the way. So that's amazing. Dheeraj, financial crime and compliance, right? This is the hottest space, the fastest growing segment right now. What are your views, how it is shaping?
Yeah, rightly said, Ronak. This is the fastest growing segment which we are seeing right now, um, owing to multidimensional complexities associated with this entire segment, right? Uh, the enterprises also are divided among themselves. It's not only about banks. We do have fintechs, we have e-commerce players, gaming players, crypto exchanges, etc. in the milieu. The problems are also very geography focused. The regulations in US are quite different from what we see in UK. And then within the line of businesses also, we are seeing a lot of disruption. It's not only about KYC. Now the leaders, enterprises are talking about digital identity. It's not only about siloed operations around fraud and AML. We are also hearing about the FRAML frameworks coming into the picture. And last but not the least, none of the enterprises would want to go ahead with just staff augmentation. Technology is what would drive a lot of this growth. So compliance workload, um, shaping up in this is something which would be very critical.
Yeah, no, completely agree, Dheeraj. Frammer is the way to go. I love the word, right? It just kind of sounds really cool. But Dheeraj, again, question for you, right? So you and Suman are traveling quite a bit, right? I think one of the things I love about our analyst is we are doing great work when it comes to our data insights, reports, and research, but we make sure that we are going and meeting our clients, talking to them, giving them insights into the context where it matters the most. So I know you. I think the next trip for you guys, you're moving. You're traveling through Europe and UK. So just wanted to understand, right? As you're going to London and other places, what are the themes that you are most excited to talk to our customers about?
Yeah, so we'll be in London in March, both me and Suman, and we'll be talking to financial crime and compliance practitioners and leaders there, mostly around how can tech provide you much more leverage. How would you be tackling a lot of these complex issues, and what kind of support would you be looking forward to?
Yeah. And also you have some key reports coming out, right? So digital identity, generative AI, and financial crime and compliance, and our flagship leading 50. So there's a lot of activity that's happening in the technology space, and I'm actually looking forward to all of them coming together and the reaction from the market and practitioners that you're going to meet. But
Yeah,
Suman,
of
I
course.
wanted
And in fact, not only limited to these tech reports, we also would be doing a refresh of financial crime and compliance services peak. And by the end of this year, we'll also be doing a deep research, in fact, a peak, which is a comprehensive assessment around the FRAML piece. So a lot more in store.
Yeah, no, again, I'm looking forward to the peak matrix on Framel as well. So, Suman, from your vantage point, right, as you're meeting our banking and capital markets clients, what are the themes that you are excited to talk most about?
I think we have had a lot of conversations with our enterprise stakeholders in terms of what is now. I think I'm a lot excited to talk about what is next, especially the mega forces impacting BFSI enterprises beyond 26, 27, right? And that includes exciting stuff like next gen computing, edge computing, everything as a service, and so on and so forth. Other than that, we're also looking at very key areas in terms of security and threat protection, design, customer experience. Then there are monetization of assets and alternative assets as well growing. So there are those themes which enterprises are looking forward to understand, solve for, and looking for help from partners. I think those are the topics which we'll talk about and see how enterprises are looking to use people, process, tech in terms of moving towards these mega forces.
Yeah, no, again, this is exciting. Wishing you a luck, best of journeys and luck in terms of the meetings and, discussions you're going to have. I hope you have some fun time also during your travels. But again, this is exciting stuff, from everything towards optimism in the market to technology driving transformation to everything that we're talking about, the future forces. Thank you, both of you.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Ron. Thank you.